At Samaritan Tire, we understand that keeping your fleet on the road is essential to your business. That's why we've introduced our mobile tire service, designed specifically for fleet vehicles. Our mobile tire service brings the tire shop directly to your fleet, wherever they are. From free whole fleet tire inspections and tire monitoring to tire installations, repairs, tire pressure monitoring system checks, wheel balancing, and seasonal tire changeovers, we've got every aspect of your fleet's tire maintenance covered. We know that time is money, and every minute your vehicles spend off the road affects your bottom line. That's why our service is designed to be quick, efficient, and hassle-free, minimizing downtime and keeping your business running smoothly. With our fleet of vans equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and technology, we ensure your vehicles stay road-ready without disrupting your schedule. You can focus on what matters most, managing your business, while we take care of your tires. Experience the ease and efficiency of fleet tire maintenance with Samaritan Tire, because keeping your fleet on the road shouldn't slow you down. Samaritan Tire, your trusted partner for fleet tire services. Schedule your mobile tire service today